In this quick video, I'll show you how to download voice messages from WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have received these voice messages from my friend and I want to download them. So for that we just need to select this voice message and then tap on the three dots which are available on top right corner. Just click on it. After that click on share. Now it will open this window. Here we need to select Google Drive. Now if you don't find Google Drive here, then scroll down to find it, or if you still don't find Google Drive, then install it in your mobile first and log in with your Google account. Then you will be able to see Google Drive here. Just click on Google Drive and after that it will open Google Drive window. Here we can change our file name. I'll name it audio file. After that we can select the location. I want to save it in my different folder. So for that I'll select my audio folder from here which I just created. Also you can choose your Google account. I want to save my file in this Google account. Once you are happy with everything, just tap on save which is in top right corner. After that go to your Google Drive and locate your audio file or your voice message in Google Drive. I saved my voice message in audio folder. I'll open this folder and after that you can see my audio file is successfully downloaded in my Google Drive from WhatsApp. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.